Today's adventure is all about the Kriver, checking it out, and mini bike races.
With some controversy.
Stay tuned and see what happens. Hi, I'm Bob.
And I'm Tam.
And we are Bob and Tam's Excellent Adventures. So today, we're going to go finish up part 1 of day 4. We got so much coverage, I can't put it all into one video. So today, it's all going to be about mini bikes. You know, it was crazy. There was some controversy going on, but you're probably not going to see the controversy. There was some hot dogging. There was some wipeouts. Stay tuned, and let's get to it.
Everybody was safe, though. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring that bell.
So let's go. Let's go get inside the campground and get going on that mini bike race. Here we are, getting ready for the mini bike race at the Kriver campground. They're lining them up. We got last words for them all. Let's get it going. Have any last words you want to say?
Nope.
No? Are you going to win?
That's the plan.
All right. You ready?
Not first.
Too?
No, my money's on Luke.
Oh, you're in support.
Hey, all the way.
Will you pick him up and get him back on him, kick him on? Like a horse?
He's gonna buy all the beer afterwards.
Encouragement.
Oh. How about you?
I was like, 2 wheels, I come across the finish line, I'll be good.
All right, that's our goal.
Yeah.
Looks like you're all ready. Are you full of beer?
No, we're gonna wait till after.
Oh, okay. That's what the emergency crew said. They want to know how many guys already had a handful of beers before they get on the track. They might already have trouble. So what's your head? What is that?
It's Disco Bear.
Disco who? Disco Bear.
Disco Bear.
All right, you're going to be on the track.
That's right.
You might win the contest.
I don't know, yeah.
You might be looking at it. You know how that works. Depends if there's any girl judges.
Yeah,
You'll be all right. It's all guys.
I'm out.
Any last words?
Oh, keep the dust out my
Hey,
teeth.
you're a little bit better prepared. You got your racing boots on too?
Oh, yeah,
There you go. No pad, no knee pads, elbow pads, no leathers.
No.
All right.
I got my old 50-year-old knee brace.
Is he riding?
I guess, yeah.
All right. Are you gonna win?
I don't do anything not to win.
All right. Well, what you got to hope for is in the costume contest that it's all males judging.
Right?
That's
I
right.
Think I think
You got
it's
the
girls.
odds.
I think it's girls.
Oh, you think it is?
And then
I think it's those two. I know. We're gonna have to sweet talk him or something.
Yeah, because I'm afraid the disco guy might win with his helmet on. He makes it. He's gonna put a helmet on.
That hair thing.
If push comes to shove.
Yeah.
So I would say he was the winner, but then when I see you girls over here, I'm like, I don't know.
No.
Sometimes they'll go for the girls.
Everybody better move over.
Yeah, there you go. Here, we're putting you on camera. What do you got? Any last words? Just in case you don't make it? You're going all out, huh?
Yep.
You'll be a winner? Any dirty playing? Or you gonna play clean?
I'm a good boy.
There you go.
Ignore the sarcasm.
Yeah, that's right.
I've got the senior handicap.
All right, are they giving you a head start?
I hope they do.
They should. This old guy's got to get a little bit, you know.
That's right. But I'm not gonna show them off too bad.
All right, well that's all right.
Thank you,
Don't
man.
want to put them all to shame, and they'll have to go cry or something.
Their whole lives they'll be ashamed to this day if I let them.
All right. Well, good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Are you asking them?
I'm asking you. You're racing.
I'm trying to survive.
You told me you were going to win yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
When I talked the other day.
We're gonna see.
That video come out. I think it came out today. And bragging on you
Yeah,
were going to
right.
be the big winner.
Yeah, right. I want to be the survivor at the very least.
And make sure the ambulance crew ain't picking you up off the road. Huh?
Well, that's why I'm wearing my padded jacket, man. 'Cause you never know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna try to get a picture with the real winners, which are here.
I think I'm actually taller than both of you. You're gonna put bib on?
Yeah, I don't mind. Give me some glitter.
There we go.
Best of luck, everybody.
All right. You going to stay up on all two wheels?
I mean, no promises, but I'll make it to the finish line.
Close your hand, make it fit. You got the silver dollar, and I got the pin.
Well, the cow went down. She looks like she's okay. She ran into a bike, knocked it down, but I think she's gonna live, and I think the motorcycle's gonna be all right too. So we'll continue with the third heat here in just a few minutes.
I don't think so, man, because some heavier guys won. There's a lot of big guys in the finals, and they beat out a lot of lighter people. So I think it comes down to two things. I think one, it comes down to ability on the corners, and two, I seen him working the throttle with his hand And I think there might have been some little technique, huh? Some thinking involved in it. So either way.
Here's our winner here.
Hey, here's the winner.
Congratulations, by the way.
Yeah, man, and I love your outfit.
Yeah, you got the vintage racer in there. So what? Are you a professional racer?
No, I ride pit bikes for fun. But
Victory is his.
It'll be all right.
So what's it like? So what do you cheat?
Hey, I didn't cheat. I did not tweak the bike at all. I didn't though. It was not the rules. A throttle. There was no definition for a throttle. They said we could not work on the bikes or modify the bikes. I rode the bike in the stock form. I just used the throttle cable with my hands instead of the
This is very controversial.
Wait, you're going to do a formal petition? Yes. You have to decide, is it a legitimate win or what?
I think it's definitely a legitimate win in my
Who
opinion.
thinks it's legitimate?
Because now if you had tweaked the bike with tools, but I mean, you know, I mean, if that's
There you go. How much more speed did that give you? A couple more miles?
I don't. No, he's burning through it. It was way more. As soon as I figured it out, like I
He
Hey,
was riding the same bike everybody else.
Disneyland! Now fuck that, I'm going to the Kriver.
there you go.
Cleaning trick here on the straightaways.
I noticed that the throttle cable is just right here, so I could reach down and just push the throttle cable. It gave me like twice the throttle.
I see. Oh, he's figured something out.
Good job.
So what's your name?
Mitch,
And where are you from?
Dallas, Texas.
And you do this for a living?
No, not at all.
You just love riding bikes?
Yeah. I build cell phone towers. It's just fun.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
So today, we checked out a drive through the campground. That was on Saturday. So you can see all the tents there, the vendors, all kinds of excitement was going on. That was the last day of the rally. You know, it was a lot of fun. We got a second part that's going to be coming up here in the next day. So make sure you stay tuned and watch that one too. You know that mini bike race? It was crazy. I'm really glad I didn't make it in there. There was a lot of wipeouts that we didn't even show on here. Ended up being turn 2. There was one guy pulled a wheelie and flipped off of it. We had a couple other people that slid all the way out. Our serviceman that we do an interview with later on, he got wiped out, skinned his arm up pretty good. He slid down, and when he went to try to come back up, there was somebody in his way, so he didn't want to take him out, so he took it the hard way. That's that service, guys. That's the military for you. I think he's a Navy guy. So he knows how to take a little bit of punishment there.
Even Evel Knievel wiped out.
Yep. So you kind of see that in this video. If you look behind that race, he kind of wipes out. It was in that last leg. He would have been in third, but he ended up in last. So it was all crazy. So, you know, we're going to leave you at that right now. And she's going to say what she says.
Thanks for coming along today. It was a great trip, and we hope you enjoyed this part 1 of part 2 of the last day of the Kriver Stubborn Americans. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share us with your family and friends, give us a thumbs up, ring that bell for notifications, and we'll see you on the next video.
And when you're seeing this one, we're just one day away from Arizona Bike Week. So stay tuned. It'll be coming.